Thanks, Monica. As the Trump campaign prepares for a rally in Tulsa, Oklahoma, Saturday night, some have raised a concern that the event might fan the flames of racial unrest and spread the coronavirus. The rally, originally scheduled for Friday night, was moved after backlash about the Juneteenth date. The city was the site of the 1921 Tulsa Race Massacre, in which as many as 300 people died when a black neighborhood was burned to the ground. Some health officials have expressed concerns about the large indoor gathering. The campaign said it has received 1 million ticket requests for the event at the 19,000-seat venue, as the number of virus cases continues to rise amid ramped-up testing. Oklahoma on Tuesday recorded the highest single-day total yet, and hospitalizations increasing in some states, including Arizona, Texas, Alabama, and the Carolinas, according to the health-oriented news website STAT. Although the CDC reports that the percentage of deaths from pneumonia, flu, and COVID has declined for the past 7 weeks. All right, let's jump right back into the opinion zone with Afia Yunus and Matt Rooney. Matt, people are talking about a rise in positive cases. Sometimes the media leaves out the fact that we're testing 500,000 people a day. Do you think the concerns being raised about Trump are valid for health, or is it just anti-Trump?
It's anti-Trump. We knew that as testing increased, naturally we were going to get more positive cases. The experts, and I should do that with quotation marks, also told us that when we reopened, naturally we'd get an influx of new cases as people began to interact with one another again. That doesn't necessarily mean that we're headed for a pandemic apocalypse. We need to get on with life. There is another crisis brewing, which is an economic disaster, which is going to lead to not only destroyed businesses and eliminated jobs, but also psychological trauma for a country that's been quarantining for months.
It seems that a lot of politicians and even some health experts want to see a perpetual health crisis. I'm not sure to what end.
And if this is going to be a presidential election year, this is something America's going to have to grapple with. We're going to have campaigning throughout the country. And the same, MAGA people who are going to be going to Trump's rally aren't going to be concerned with getting coronavirus in a large gathering. So I think as long as they take precautions, I agree with Matt here. We do need to move forward and make sure we're protecting people's rights to express themselves freely and to get the information they need. And I do want to note that the president's initial scheduling on Juneteenth was completely insensitive and is a testament to the fact that he's completely unplugged from reality.
Matt, what Afia just said about Juneteenth, do you see this rally fanning the flames of racism?
Well, only if you accept the faulty premise that Donald Trump coming to your town creates a magnet for racism. We hear over and over again that these MAGA rallies are racist. I've yet to see anything racist happen. I've yet to hear the president say anything racist at these rallies. So whether it's Juneteenth or any other significant date in American history, it's another fake crisis. It's something else for the media to try to get everybody all excited over. As Afia said, people need to exercise their First Amendment rights. And if anything, maybe the fact that this is such a significant day in Tulsa history might be a great time to hear from the president and what his plan is to address the inequities that still exist in our society.
Yeah, it's an interesting point to both of you. I don't know why they moved it from Friday. I think it would have been perfectly appropriate. But he's the president of all people, black and white. Thanks, guys.